Hello guys. Today's video is on the top 5 best lopper. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. Don't skip any single of frame. Watch till the end. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Our top pick for the best loppers you can get for gardeners both new and experienced at the Fiskars 28-inch bypass lopper. The length is ideal for reaching tricky tall branches, but are still manageable for when you're working closer to head height. The fully hardened and precision ground blade is tough and durable and stays sharp regardless as you trim your and any overhanging neighbors' trees throughout the summer months. They trim through branches like butter without requiring much force, and this makes them ideal for tackling more stubborn branches you may otherwise need to leave alone. While it recommends cutting up to 1.5-inch branches at the most, there have been claims of managing much more, but we'll leave that decision up to you. They're also suitable for smaller plants and bushes, and their lightweight design and easy-to-use functionality makes them ideal for a quick trim with bushes that grow too quickly for you to keep up with, until now that is. Make sure you also check our guide to the best pruning shears. For the true pros around us, the Tabor Tools Compound Action Anvil Lopper is our premium choice that will end your search for the finest garden loppers ever created. The hardened steel blade is no nonsense and provides straightforward, simple, and speedy lopping like you've never lopped before. They're also comfortable, while also providing extra leverage for more demanding demands. If you've got a large yard, you don't want to invest in something that will cramp you from head to toe, and these deliver time and time again to ensure your next pruning experience is the best one yet. The blade is low friction, and its 2-inch cutting capacity means there are few, if any, branches you can't overcome. If you're not a pro and know nothing about pruning, but want to get your hands on the best of the best anyway, you'll get a set of useful tips and tricks on pruning to help you master your garden jobs just like a professional. They're so helpful you'll never need to hit up Google to find the best landscaper in your area again. If you like taking care of your garden, check out our guide to the best soil testing kits. For much tougher jobs both at home and at work, the Fiskars 32-inch POWERGEAR2 bypass lopper should be high on everyone's list of options to think about. They can cut through 2-inch branches with ease, giving you one of the smoothest cutting experiences around that will make you never want to look back. This is made possible through modified gears and a cam mechanism that optimizes and enhances cutting power and control like you never thought possible. It gives you 3 times more cutting power, with superb leverage and the easiest day in the garden you've ever had. It's not all about power, though, so it's a good thing they also deliver in other areas. The blades are sharp and are resistant to both rust and gumming. This makes them more of a one-season wonder, but instead ensures you can keep control of your garden this year, next year, and far beyond. This also makes a perfect gift for gardeners in your life. The Corona Comfortable Bypass Lopper is another set that comes at a superb price and guarantees both comfort and performance for you to ensure your garden remains pristine all summer long. The 30-inch handles allow you to reach those difficult upper areas, and the dual arc blade design ensures top-quality cutting through branches of 1.5-inch diameter. The non-stick blades prevent gumming, and the special coating reduces the risk of rusting and keeps the blades sharp much longer than other, cheaper, and lower-quality options. On days where you'll be pruning, shearing, and lopping from sunrise to sunset, the ergonomic handles are a lifesaver, and its integrated shock guard feature prevent fatigue and cramping, allowing you to get the job done faster so you can enjoy a well-deserved beer. They are lightweight and simple to use, but the size means you can't control them as productively with lower, smaller branches. If you're sick of tackling higher branches with what may as well be a pair of nail scissors, though, these are a fantastic solution. Our handy guide to the best weed killers features more great products like this. If you're looking for a lopper that will allow you to reach for the skies or the tallest branch, the Spear & Jackson Resorshare telescopic ratchet anvil loppers are perfect. The heavy-duty design ensures long life, but they're still light enough for all-day use without feeling the burn once you've finished. Its lasting sharpness also contributes to longevity, and while they're a little more expensive than other loppers, they mean business, built to last, so you need not replace them as often as the cheaper models. They're also some of the safest we've come across, with non-slip grip and a safety locking catch to protect your and other fingers when they're not in use. The leverage is reliable and can chop through 2-inch branches with neither you nor the loppers breaking a sweat, while its extendable handle means there ain't no branch high enough. Be sure to also check out our list of the best zero-turn mowers for more great items like this.